Okay, so this is what we're going to use to make our cabbage soup. We're going to have our head of cabbage and some beef kielbasa. We're going to have chicken broth, extra virgin olive oil, potatoes, carrots, butter, salt and pepper, bay leaves, thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm also going to add some chicken bouillon at some point. Now I'm going to get all this cut up and I'll be right back. We're now ready to put all this together. We've got our cabbage cut up, our sausage, onions, carrots, and potatoes. Now let's get the pot ready. Okay, let's go ahead and add our sausages. I'm going to brown these, get them nice and brown. I want all of that goodness to be in the bottom of this pan so the cabbage can absorb all that flavor. So give me a minute to brown this and I will be right back, guys. Everything is coming together nicely. Now while these are browning, I'm going to go ahead and add our onions. Let these get all caramelized and beautiful. Okay, we're moving right along. This is our liquid gold. I've removed our sausage and onions, and now I'm going to place our potatoes. Now potatoes do take a little while to cook, so I want to make sure these are done. So this is going to be my next step, putting the potatoes in here. And then I'm going to put our chicken broth in here. So give me 1 minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and start adding our ingredients. I'm going to put this chicken broth in here. So since this is a soup, we want it to be really delicious, and those sausages are really going to kick up the flavor of our broth. Okay, now I'm going to put some Maggi Pollo. This is chicken bouillon, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and I'm also going to add some lemon pepper to give it a little kick, and some pepper. And finally, I'm going to put some thyme in here. Now you decide how much you like, as always, because the flavor will depend on your taste. And I'm also going to add these, 2 bay leaves in here. Okay, I'm going to let this come to a boil, and I'll show you what it looks like. Look at this beautiful stock. Now I'm going to start adding the cabbage in here now. Now the potatoes have been in here for about 20 minutes. So now they're going to get some extra time to cook. And you know this cabbage is going to cook down. So I'm going to add this in here and then let this cook down some. And I want to show you what it's going to look like in a few minutes. Let's go ahead and add our carrots. The cabbage has cooked down, so you just want to turn it, grab from the bottom, and just swish it around. Grab from the bottom. It's going to cook down some more. It smells wonderful, you all. And cover. All right, this is optional. I'm going to add half a stick of butter. I know I'm going to get in trouble but this just helps the flavor. Not a whole stick, just half a stick. Let that cook in there. All right, I wanted to show you our cabbage soup is looking fantastic, you all. It's done. The potatoes are done, the carrots are done. The broth is delicious. Now, I'm going to add this to our bowls because I don't want all of the juice to take up the flavor of the sausage. So, next shot, I'm going to plate up a bowl for you. Okay, I'll be right back. Turned out really good. Thank you for watching, everybody. All right, are you looking for a budget-friendly meal for your family? I've got one for you. Why don't you try this cabbage, kielbasa, and potato soup? It's really delicious. I want to show you how we make it. Would you come with me and make this with me? It's really delicious. All right, come on, let's go. And what do we always say, y'all? Let's cook with ease. Love you guys. See you later. Peace.